going on, guys? Thanks for joining me again. As you can tell, we're washing the truck today, and that's for two reasons. One, coming into winter like we are, it's really important to keep the de-icer off these things. You don't clean them, that's gonna just eat the living crap out of your truck or car. But the second reason is I wanted to bring you guys, or show you guys, a product that had been brought to my attention by a good friend of mine. It's from Wax Shine. It's Aquabead from Wax Shine. So there's a lot of hype going on right now about these hydrophobic sprays, cleaners, treatments, whatever you want to call them. And this is another bringing, and one that you're probably not going to see so mainstream, from Wax Shine. This stuff is super easy to use. Anybody that does know me knows that I love my truck to death, but I hate cleaning it. So anything I could find to make my life easier cleaning this thing, I'm all for it. I'm going to show you guys how this works today, and I'm going to be doing it on my wheels. I don't think this bottle has enough to do the whole truck, and right now I'm really more concerned about keeping that crap off my wheels. If you can tell, they're pretty dirty at the moment, so I'm really hoping that this helps keep them clean, keep the de-icer off of them, keep them in good shape. And then we'll have to get another bottle of this to do the rest of the truck, but I might have enough left over to show you guys how it works on the paint. About 4 or 5 months ago, I went through the trouble to I clay barred the whole thing, I waxed the whole thing, and well, it's typical wax. It takes a lot of time. It was good wax, carnauba wax, but it doesn't last like these new treatments do. So anyway, first thing I'm going to do is we have to clean these up really well, and then I'll show you guys how our product works. And if anybody is interested, at the end of this video I will put the link in the description down below. Also, I'll put it across the screen down below so you guys can see it. I'm not paid to do this. It's not paid, it's not, you know, nothing about it is sponsored by any means. I just want to show you guys a product that would make life easier for you, because I know it makes it easier for me. And like I said before, I cannot stand to clean this thing, especially every week. It just doesn't happen. So we'll get these wheels clean, we'll come back, I'll show you how it works, we'll go from there. We're back. We got the wheel clean. Remember, whenever you use anything like this, not just this stuff, but anything like this, you need to make sure your vehicle or surface is clean. You do not put it over a dirty vehicle. Since I clean the rest of the truck, if I have enough to show you that, it'll be super easy. I can just, well, show you how it works. But so simple. Shake it up, make sure it's all shook. Okay, now this is how easy it is. This isn't ceramic coating where you have to put it on a little sponge. This isn't like an F11. This is by far the easiest thing I have ever known. All right, sorry about that, we're back. So as I was saying, this Aquabead has to be one of the easiest things to use. Okay, step 1, we already shook it up. Step 2, wet the surface down. Okay, step 3, and hopefully you guys can see this start to work. Spray. Okay, just spray it on there. I'm gonna put a lot on. Okay, now we're coated. Now we wait 20 to 30 seconds. You can already see it starting to work. Okay, you wait 20 to 30 seconds. Next step, just spray it off. Guys, it's just that easy with this stuff. Now, see how the water it's falling off. It is so clean, and there's added so much gloss. This stuff, you'd be crazy not to use it. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with the other 4 wheel, or other 3 wheels, my mistake, but I will get them all done. I'll come back and show you this again, because I cannot believe how easy this is. Okay guys, I knew I told you I was gonna do them all and then come back and show you, but I gotta show you one more. I did the 3. I'm on to this last one, and this is no BS. This is where it started, where we're starting, what we're starting with. It's gross. These, you saw the color from the last one. They're supposed to be like a gunmetal, and it's just hideous. So I'm gonna go start to finish. With this one. You guys, this is so simple. It's ridiculous. Just wash, spray, wait, rinse. Let me show you. Alright guys, 30 seconds later, no cuts. You saw. Rinse it off. And look at the water bead. Now, let me remind you guys one thing. 2 things. 1, I have no reason to lie to you. I don't. If there's something out there that's going to make my life easier, especially for this, knowing damn well I am never going to take time to wax a wheel, this will be it. So this is the first one we started with. Okay. Now, the beauty of this stuff is not only did it add gloss, but you give it a day or two to cure and it's only going to get better. This isn't the final finished product. It takes time to cure like a standard coating, but when it does, it's going to look awesome. You saw how it worked on the wheels. I'm trying not to make this video very lengthy, but we got a lot left. So I think I'll show you how it works on the bedside. I'll try to go around the truck. We'll see. I'm gonna start with this bedside though, and we'll see where it goes. Yeah, I don't look too deep at the damage, but we're gonna put this here. Just remind you guys what it is. Okay. Now remind you that I waxed it, I clay barred it, and the water, let's see, 4 or 5 months later, it's not beading, you could tell. Look at this. This is just staying on there, given I know the paint's not in the best shape. Okay. Wet it down. Mist it. Mist it on. Okay, misted it on, didn't use too much. Count to 30. Rinse it off. Alright guys, it's that easy. Wax Shine Aquabead. If you guys want some real, authentic, professional, let me get out of the garage. I keep doing that and it gets dark. So if you guys want some real, authentic detailing supply, remind you, I'm not a detailer. I hate cleaning, but this makes my life easy. So go to Valkyrie Detail Supply. The link will be down below. They have this product, Aquabead. They have a lot of great products, and for you real serious guys out there, they distribute Angel Wax products. And if you know anything about the industry, you know that Angel Wax is right up here. So whether you're looking for more of a user-friendly product like Wax Shine, or you're looking for a more professional product like Angel Wax, check those guys out. Links down below. Awesome guys to deal with, work with. I've known them for a long time, one longer than the other, but it's a long time. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it helps. I want to thank you guys for sticking around, watching me, helping me out. I want to remind you guys, if you haven't already, go down below and subscribe and like the video. It really helps, and I'm really excited about where this is going and what we're doing. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.